Dear students, today we will talk about adding and subtracting, how to add and subtract. It's the sign rule. Most of pupils use the calculator to find the answer, but you must keep the rule in your mind. First one, if we have two integers, remember the following. We have the first word, less, less. L like sign. L like signs. Add the same sign. Again, if we have like integers has the same sign, we add and put the same sign. Add and put the same sign. Put the sign and add. Put the sign and add. Two integers having same sign, we put the sign and add. Put the sign and add. Word number 2. USB. USB. What is the meaning of USB? Unlike signs. Unlike signs. Unlike sign. We subtract. Unlike signs, we subtract. And put the sign of the pig. Put the sign of the pig. So we have only two rules. The first rule, less, and the second, USB. The first rule, put the sign and add if they are the same. And the second, put the sign of the big, then subtract. Put the sign of the big, then subtract. Okay, let's practice together. Number 1, how to add like terms. We have two negative numbers. To add them, we put the sign and add. Put the sign and add. How to adding unlike term. USB. Unlike term, we use USB. Put the sign of the biggest and subtract. Put the sign of the big, then subtract. S for subtract. Put the sign of the big, B, and unlike sign. So it will be -2 again. If the sign add, if the sign like, put the sign and add. If the sign unlike, remember in your mind USB. Put the sign of the big, then subtract. Okay, it's time. Now, it's your time to make a practice by yourself. Try to answer this question alone. If you understand it well, you will do it.